Art Museum filled with the sounds of chopping blocks. It's part of an ongoing exhibit. Our Ashley Zukokas caught up with the individuals there who were making traditional forms of art out of wood. It was called a chop-in.
Swope Art Gallery has asked a number of people who make hand-hewn wooden bowls to demonstrate how the bowls are made by hand. There's very few people in the United States that actually make bowls by hand using adze, and this tradition goes way back.
A great tradition of bowl carving that goes back to Bill's day, but Keith Rubel, longtime park superintendent here at Vigo County Parks, he was making bowls here back in the 70s and 80s, and he continues to do that.
You have to use wood that is green, freshly cut wood that has moisture in it. You take a slab out of the wood on either side of the center, which is the pith, can have the center in it, and you slab that, and you take that slab, and you can make different things.
A tool called an adze, which is like a hatchet with the blade turned sideways, and they chop out the bowls. When you're working with a lathe, you can only make round bowls. With an adze, you can make bowls in all different shapes.
This type of work, it's relaxing, and it's something that's very enjoyable when you start with something raw and end up with something beautiful. A person like me can do the rest of my life and enjoy it. Even if I'm in a wheelchair, I can still do this.
Yeah, Keith, they're very talented. The exhibit, The Art of the Adze Bowl Hewing in Indiana, will be on display there at the Swope Art Museum until September 24th.